guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Look, I'm all glammed up from the neck up. Look at me. Like a total wreck. And then I got all this crazy stuff going on. I was like trying out some new glitters I got and just some new lip stuff, which you'll see in the video from Marshall's. I tried out the shadows that I got. This is the new glitter. I just threw it on kind of quick though. I might go back over, we'll see. Yeah, long overdue Marshall's haul. You guys know I love my Marshalls. I mean, who doesn't? I know everyone likes TJ Maxx. I don't know if it's just that Marshall's is so much more convenient for me to get to or what, but like, I love Marshall's. That is just where it's at for me. Marshall's is my place. I love it. Guys, I forgot to use the contour thingy I got. I'm so mad. I don't even know like what I was thinking. I wanted to use it and I just totes didn't. So, anyway, without further ado, let's jump into this video. Alright, so this time I'm pulling up sleeves, not tattoos. We are currently checking out what I got from Marshall's. Before we go into what I got from Marshall's, can I please show you guys these? The glitter I used for this look is the glitter injections. Now this is the first time ordering from this site, so I wanted to know, have any of you guys ever used their products? What do you think of them? Let me know. I'm just interested in knowing other people's opinions on them. So I don't remember ordering all of the injections, but I guess I did because that's what I got. I think it was like buy one get one free, so I ordered 2, got 2 for free because I just wanted to really try them out. I was like, I'm not going to order a ton of stuff if I don't even know if I like the products. I got I can't remember the names offhand. I don't think it came with a list. I got a chocolate one, I got a rose gold one, and then 2 like, I can't remember the names. So here, you guys are just gonna have to look at the colors. How gorgeous are these glitters? Like seriously, if they weren't so darn messy, but these tubes don't do them justice. Let me hold them up. You're just gonna have to wait to see them in looks. That's the one I'm messing with today, the chocolate. So, got those, and each tube I want to say was 8, but you get they're always having like a buy one get one plus a coupon, so like I got those for 16, so I didn't think it was that bad. I wanted to try them out. So yeah, I just wanted to show those. Okay, if you know me, you know Marshall's is like my favorite store. I literally have to limit myself there. There was a time where I was going multiple times a week. So we're not doing that right now, but I went the other day and I found some awesome stuff. They had some awesome makeup, but I just want to show everything I got because, like, I don't know, just some cute stuff. Guys, no, I'm not starting with makeup. I'll get there. Look at this. Okay, look at this cute bag I got. Okay, I should not have been spending money, but I haven't really been going crazy, so I was like, whatever. Look at this. I have been eyeing up their little book bags there, and then this was on clearance, and I was like, I'm just gonna do it. It's by Aldo. I've been out of loop so long, I don't even remember if that's a cool name. I think it's one of those names that like wants to be cool, but like isn't like super cool. But like that's okay, because like I'm not super cool, so like I think it like fits me. So it comes with a little poof, which I have in my current purse. a pink one, so I can add my pink one to this one, and I have 2 poofs, a black and a pink. Originally retails for $55, got it for $18. I think it's adorable. This actually doesn't open up, it just opens up here, which I kind of like because then there ends up being more space. It has a little flap back here and then a pocket back there. I love it. Cannot wait to switch. I'm actually going to switch over for tomorrow to this rather than my purse. Then I don't want to move it, but do you see this cute little glass thing that my palettes are in? I needed a holder for my smaller palettes. I was going to get one just like that, like boring. Found this. I was like, this is cute. It's clear so you can see, like, I wanted to display some of the, maybe the cuter, like, smaller palettes. I just thought it was perfect. This was like $9. I want to say it is. Now I'm going to pick it up. I don't know what brand it is. Never mind. Isaiah Jacobs, whatever that might be. I got this cute picture for like $4. The Actually I Can. I loved it because we think it's so cute. Sean, I guess I say actually a lot. So Sean always says actually. Actually, it's peanut butter and jelly. Like, he's just so funny. I wasn't even thinking about that. I just bought it because it's just so how I feel about this whole thing. Like, Actually I Can. It's just so simple, but just straight to the point of how I feel about this whole makeup thing I'm doing. And then I was standing in line and I was like, oh my god, Shawnee. So I put it right next to his picture. I got this. It's actually a box. It was like $4. Swag. She was absolutely gorgeous. I thought it was so cute, and I was like, until I use it as a little box, I could just set it back here for you guys to see. I got some crafty stuff at Michael's that I'm going to try to do a really weird makeup look with when I have time, so probably never, because this week is like all booked up. Like, I have to do lashes, I have to do a makeup look for some, like, I don't know when I'm ever going to have time, for real. But this stuff's sitting on the floor here for me to use it eventually. The makeup. Is that where I'm at already? Oh my god. Hold your horses. Look at this. I've been waiting to show this until I did a little Marshall's haul. I got my leg stuck in the desk, between the desk and the chair. I got this for, how much did I get this for? $24.99. I normally don't spend that much at Marshall's, but I really thought this was cute. And I thought it was cute for a video. Retails at $41, got it for $24.99. It's a Bite gift set. Okay. So it comes in this little container. The B right there. It's jangled around a bit. So it comes with this, I guess it's a little mini mirror. I thought it was a pen and I'm like, there's no back. It's a little mini mirror. That is too darn cute. I love it. I think it's magnetic. I don't even know. If I had something metal or whatever magnets stick to, I would stick it to it and tell you right now. And get back to you on it. No, it is metal. No, never mind. So it comes with this gloss, like lip topper, and then 2 colors. So, wait till you see these babies. I checked them out. I'm obsessed with this whole packaging ordeal. I love it. So, I guess I have never used, no, I have used Bite lipsticks. So I don't know why I've never came across this packaging before. And I've used Bite lipsticks that look very similar to this. It's like magnetic. It's amazing. So I have the shade Cashew. I just love this whole packaging concept. I actually had an amazing dark red bite lipstick that I left at Treya's house. Hi, Treya. That I was supposed to come back for, I never did. And a wow. That's okay, girl. I hope you're enjoying them. I hope you did enjoy them. Keep them on the house, or whatever it's called. Cashew. Okay, so this is cashew. Dark rose, I want to say. Has like browns and pinks and like a dark rose, I would say. And then gelato. Ooh, which is a much softer pink. Dusty rose. That is gorgeous, and those would be gorgeous together. I am so happy I got this because I was contemplating it and it was so worth it. And then this is called Rose Pearl. Wait until you guys get a gander at this. Are you ready? Look at that. How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness gracious. I love it. Oh my god, they smell so good. Like, they smell like sour candy. I think. Maybe they're not supposed to, but I think they do. Okay, so I got that. If you think this stuff is good, wait till you see what I just got from Marshall's. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Okay, guys. They have so much Anastasia stuff. I'm not even kidding. They had the concealers. I already have an Anastasia pot concealer. Didn't need another, so I did not pick it up. They had so many contour palettes in every shade. It was unbelievable. They had a lot of Stila contour palettes. You know what? They were stocking and they had just put these out, so I wasn't seeing anything else new that wasn't already like picked over. Normally they have like Too Faced lippies and like Marc Jacobs nail polishes and just different, and then they'll have like random products, but I saw that they really were stocking the Anastasia, and I was like, alright, this is perfect. I could pick some of this stuff up for the video, and I liked the products anyway. So I got 2 shadows in Midnight and Dark Chocolate Shimmer. I got them for $3.99, and the Anastasia single shadows would normally retail for $12. And then I got the cream contour kit, which I have never tried an Anastasia cream contour kit. I got it for $18.99, regularly retails for $40. When I take a look at these colors, I don't know if you guys have already seen these colors. I have never swatched them personally. So let's do it. That's very pretty. It's like a shimmery black, matte black. Yeah. I need to figure out, I gotta see stuff sometimes on my skin before I do a look. Ooh, I love it. I love it. This is exactly what we're using.
Oh no!
Oh. Nice catch. Leg. So there's Midnight, and that's with just like one quick swatch. Can you see the shimmer at all? It's hard to tell next to those that lip gloss, huh? And then we have Dark Chocolate Shimmer, which is perfect for my dark chocolate glitter. There's that. Let me just swatch it for you. Yeah. I can tell you I will be using that with the dark chocolate glitter for sure. Okay, and then we have the contour kit. Why did the medium to tan and then the tan came in a smaller box with a solid front, and then the light to fair or fair ones came like this? But I mean, I know I have seen them like this in the store, so I mean, I don't really care. So it comes with that on top, comes with this. I'm so happy I got this. I really want to try this. So I am not gonna dig into this right now, to tell you the truth. I am going, oh my gosh, it's like such a nice closing. I am going to wait until I get to my face. I just don't feel like having all this stuff everywhere, so bear with me. I am going to do my eyes first. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this little tidbit of info I shared with you on the things I bought at Marshall's. Yeah, seriously though, let me know if you guys like seeing videos like this, because I don't know what you like to see really yet. So let me know if you like to see videos like this. That's great, because I like to shop. So awesome, I can shop and show you what I buy. Or we could do something else. Just let me know. Yeah, guys, still not on a schedule, still filming at night, and like, look at this glitter, it's a wreck, and I just don't even want to. I don't want to redo it, but I should, because I put in all this effort. I should fix it up and get a nice picture, huh? Yeah. But anyway, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the Insta for the Kylie giveaway. I would say I'll see you Monday, but I have a product coming in, and if it comes in, I have to get the review out, because I'm like dedicated right now, and I'm tired. I don't want to do another video this week, but I feel like I gotta get it out if I want a chance of like getting this thing rolling. I can't be slacking, so I might see ya sooner rather than later. Sorry. But yeah, alright, so bye for now.